Okay guys, so today it's me and I'm gonna do a fidget spinner show and tell, okay guys? So let's get started! So here, first I have like this fidget spinner. Wait. Look at it, it's so pretty, right? Stop it, when you stop it looks like that, but turn the bottom. Cool. Well, you could could also like grab it. Could also like grab it. And you could just like take that off. Could do something with it. You see those balls, right guys? I'm gonna do something with it. Something cool that I could do. They look like little bombs, right guys? Like toy bombs, like we could like use these like for your roast patrons. They could be like toy bombs. And you throw them, you just make a song. Well, a sound. Oh, look. You could see these balls, okay? I'm gonna just look. Now you cannot see them. And now you can. You just have to get your fidget spinner. Do it like that. Now the balls are gone. Cool, right, guys? That is so awesome if you're done. Well.